Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Is your JSON file looking like a scrambled mess? In this video I'll show you how to quickly format a JSON file in VS Code so it's clean and easy to read. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open the VS Code, then open the .json file inside the VS Code. Then use the shortcut on Windows, press Shift plus Alt plus F, press Shift plus Alt plus F. On Mac, you can press Shift plus Option plus F, and it says there is no formatter for plain text file install. First of all, you need to download the file extension from here. After you have downloaded it, step 3 is to use the command palette. To open the command palette, press Ctrl plus Shift plus P on Windows or Linux, and in Mac you can press CMD plus Shift plus P and type here format document and simply hit enter and check JSON language mode. Make sure the bottom right corner shows JSON. If not, click it and select JSON for proper formatting. And that's how you format any JSON file in VS Code. If this helped tidy your code, smash the like button, hit subscribe and ring the bell for more coding tips, and I'll see you in the next one.